guys, welcome back to my channel. Another little haul that I want to share with you guys. Actually, one that I've already opened. The other one I have not seen it. I don't even know what it looks like. I wanted to share the packaging with you guys. One reveal is from Chanel and the other one is from Dior, you guys. Dior does their packaging like no other. Okay, I mean, I will buy everything from Dior just for their packaging. That's how nice their packages are. Anyways, let's get started. If you are new here, please subscribe, share the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and I appreciate you all. Okay, you guys, to reveal the Chanel box. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is my second pair of sunnies. This is from Chanel. The first one was from Gucci. Those are the only two designer sunglasses that I have. Look at the case, you guys. Look at the quilting. Look at this. It is just so nice. Look at the interior of the box, how nice it is. It is just so nice. It also come with a cloth. I have not opened up the cloth, just to clean it out. Like I said, I just got it, and I did do a reveal, an open box before, but the video didn't work out. So, but look how pretty this is, you guys. The gold detailing, the little CC logo right here, and it has Chanel edges all around here. It's just so pretty and so elegant. This is just so me, you guys. I just love it. I just love it. Just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm putting it away, and here's the Dior box. So when this box came, because I placed a lot of orders, you guys. I am a junkie at this point. I placed a lot of orders. When this box came, I didn't realize what it was. I didn't even read where it came from, and so I opened it. I ripped it out, and then to reveal this right here. Okay, and then look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot believe how nice this is. Look at it. Yes, look at this. It is so pretty. It is so pretty, and it wasn't even expensive, you guys. So I am going to open it up for you guys. This is the first time that I'm seeing it. This is a true unboxing. I have not seen this at all. Okay. Oh, the ribbon is so pretty. I might use it on my hair, you guys. It's not a pair of shoes. It looks like a shoebox, but it is not a pair of shoes. Look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. The little sticker here. Oh my gosh. Okay, wow. It's a box in a box. So, to reveal this right here. Look at this. These are some little freebies that comes with my order. And I'm going to share them with you guys. A bunch of little freebies. I'm just enjoying this. I just love Dior, you guys. I just love Dior. Look at this. Oh, look at this. How nice is this? Okay, I just love Dior. Okay, so where's my scissors? Somebody get me a pair of scissors or knife, whatever you have. Just get me something. Okay, well, my daughter's getting me a pair of scissors. Actually, the thing. Okay, I got it. Thank you. So here, let me share the freebies with you guys first. Okay, so look at this little pouch. When you order from Chanel, when you order beauties from Chanel, and it comes in a little pouch similar to this, and I was just loving the Chanel little pouch, but this, oh my gosh, this is just to die for. Look, I got a little perfume simple right here. Oh my gosh, this is just so awesome. And more simples. Okay, I got J'adore, Sauvage, Yeah, and look at this. Look at this, so pretty. And I don't know what this is. Oh, I guess this is lipsticks. Yeah, this is a sample of lipsticks. Okay, that's nice. So here's another little pouch. I think this is a men pouch. So I don't know what's in here. Oh, it's just a little men pouch. So there's nothing in there. It's just a little freebie that comes with my order. So that's all it is, but it's still very cute. I love it. I'll give it to my husband. I hope he likes it. Okay, let's reveal this. Let's see here. Okay. All right, you guys, look at this. Okay, this is really a true unboxing. I don't know how to open this thing up. Okay, I got it. I got it. Oh my gosh, look at this. I was trying to get their advent calendar and I was too late. But look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, it looks like a little tower. And yeah, it's opened up. Look at this, you guys. Wow, this is so pretty. And look. Look, so this, wow, this is the first perfume. And there's one right here. You know, there's another one right here. This is so cute. I don't think, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna use this as a decor. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is also pretty, you guys. I have one last unboxing for you guys, and it is from Coach. Yes, it is from Coach. This is something that every time that I try to order it, it's either not on sale or it's sold out. So you know, never buy Coach or Tory Burch or Michael Kors full price, you guys, because they always go on sale. So when I saw that this one was 30% off and it was available, guess what? I got it. So I ordered, I ordered 2 bags. One of them was for my daughter and the other one's for me. And then I ordered a gold chain. Now, when I received the box, again, I didn't read where it was from and I just opened it. But first of all, you guys, my item, when you order from Coach directly, your items usually come in a very beautiful box. Not this time. So this is my bag. I already give the other bag to my daughter. And this is the gold strap that I ordered. So let me reveal the bag. And it is none other but the Cassie. Everyone's been talking about it and I've been wanting it. And one of the YouTubers that I followed found one. This is after I actually received this. She put up her video. She found one for actually $100. Can you believe it? I paid over $200 for this one because it was 30% off from $400. I think $395. $395. Yes. Okay. It's just, you guys know all about the Cassie, so I don't even have to like give you a tour of what it's look like. Oh, look at this brown color right here. It is just gorgeous. I mean, all the hype, for real, it is just gorgeous. So let me reveal what's in here. So I bought this because you know, I wanted to just look how nicely packaged this comes in. This is what I'm talking about. Usually when you order from Coach, it comes in a beautiful bag like this, beautiful box like this, and the dust bag. Okay, but my Cassie didn't come very nice package. My daughter, little bag that I bought for her did not come very nicely packaged except for this one. So let me reveal what I got. Look how pretty this is. This is so pretty. I really like this dust bag. It's not cheaply made. And the items that's in there is not even expensive, you guys. So this is a gold strap that I got to use on my other bags. I do have a Felici, and the chain on the Felici, I use it on my Azor. Pochette accessoire. On my Azor pochette accessoire. So yeah, so instead of this is the Felici chain right here. Okay, so what I thought I would do, I'd take the Felici chain, put it back where it belongs, and use this one on the pochette accessoire. So let me reveal that for you guys. It looks very nice. It looks very nice. I mean, it's not as nice as the Felici, but it looks very nice. I'll probably go to LV to see if I can get a Felici chain by itself. But yeah, it looks good. I like it. I like it. I like the gold. I like it. So this is the end of my video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this little haul unboxing. Please comment, subscribe, share the video. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.